Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a $2 selfie stick. That's right, $2. And it's happening right now. Okay, today on geek.com I'm showing you mini flexible tripod octopus gorilla stand for your camera, DSLR. As you can see here, it's free. Shipping's $2 unless you want to do express, and that's an extra $11. Gets to you in 5 to 9 days. Nice little item, great for holding your camera, make you in the shot, wrap it around a tree, on a post, put it up on a rock, whatever you want to do. Let's unbox this bad boy and I'll show it to you right now. It's coming from Hong Kong. It's from geek.com. Let's open it up. Let's see what all kinds of goodies we got in here. Right. Okay, here's the bracket, the adjustable piece for your phone to fit in here. Aww. Here's the bolt down one, so if you want to put it on a tripod or something, you can do that. Also, it's used to attach. And here's the stick. Yeah. Now you might recognize that this looks real similar to a lot of expensive ones I've seen people buy. See, nice rubber tips. Wow. It's bendable, twistable.
Got it!
Let's pull this out. There we go. There we go. Now you can see it better. And see, here's the threads on top, which you can put this on, or you can put this piece on, and then that holds your phone. And this is bendable and pliable. See? You can use it to wrap on stuff. And for a couple of bucks at geek.com, I mean, why pay for the extra, you know? Just for a name brand or something from a different place, when this one works just as fine. And like I said, for a couple of bucks and then you pay a couple more for shipping, you're looking at under 10 bucks easily for something like this that most people would spend, I don't know, what, $30 to $50 for this thing? Why? Don't! Make sure to stay tuned to the channel for best budget deals. This is crazy. Don't spend a lot of money for stuff like this. It's plastic. They're all plastic. They're all made of plastic. Trust me. None of them show up at titanium. And it's cool. You get to actually be included in your videos and photos now.
Hello, cutie pie.
Especially whenever you put it on a nice mount.
Giggity, giggity.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Yeah, there you go. You put this on like this, turn it sideways, now your phone's sideways. There you go. Get some great landscape photos or video.
Do it!
Definitely worth it. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos. I hope that this helps you make choices on saving money and budget. If it does, let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day, everyone. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.
Bye, bye, bye.